Blackbird. Terrific judges.
Gonna be going the opposite way so I can hit the wall, huh? There is the wall. Yeah, it looks identical everywhere you look at it. That's the thing about it.
That's so great. It's not the great wall. Did you get the catalog?
No, it should be in the back, yeah. It's back there.
Jata Mo?
Trust me, obviously. It's back there. We're tissueless.
Two big dumps, man.
Ollie, I'm taping, man. But I'm glad you shared that with us.
Pulling my finger then.
No, I refuse to pull your finger today. I did that yesterday.
There's the wall.
Got it.
Shame on me. The wall.
We're gonna drive
Tell us
through
about
it.
the wall.
This is an old wall.
Go ahead, I'll take you.
I don't know anything about this wall, man.
Ollie has given us everything he knows about the wall.
This wall wasn't here this morning, but now they built it.
They built this overnight, then.
It's a miracle. Everyone's talking about it.
Salak, man. Salak, manyak.
Driving through it.
Kid was saying you're stupid. Cool. Okay, let's all try to name two good things about Diyarbakir.
Cheap shoe shines.
And water.
That's a good one. Very good. Watermelons.
How did you get to do?
I like
Lonnie likes to eat shit.
Here comes our tour guide. You can watch it, watch yourself in the mirror.
Yeah.
a mosque in Diyarbakir that overlooks the Tigris River, and this valley down here is the Tigris Valley that runs just east of Diyarbakir. Shoes, and Ollie wore them out that day. We climbed up the side of that hill up by on the other side of this is where we came up at.
Did you wear the bottom off of it?
No, I just got them all dirty.
They're all dirty. Melon we had in the hotel last night.
Rich, you want to go?
The second ring. Not just a job, it's an adventure. Couldn't really explain this to anybody. The road. Jami Mosque. Ulu Jami Mosque. hotel parked out there, buddy. This is where the rich people of Diyarbakir live, right? This is where Ollie grew up.
That was my bicycle.
There's Ollie's old bicycle.
My old girlfriend.
So what is that Iraq stuff? Is that is it a milk or is it buttermilk or what?
Iron, yogurt, and water.
Yogurt and water. And there's supposed to be something nutritious about it?
Just the salt.
It's good.
I know the first part of that wasn't true. I tried just a little bit of that to please Mike, and it's about cute. The hotel. That's our hotel. That's Ollie's old shovel, right? And there's your old toilet, Turkish toilet. Ollie, go to church.
All infidels can
There's the bombs. All Ollie's descendants begging for money. We ate right there last time, Gary. That place. Turkey on rice. It was pretty good. We didn't die, which I thought was good. Have we been up there? What is that?
Ataturk lived here.
This is Ollie's old house, where his father Ataturk lived. Nice house, huh?
You're a lot older than we thought you were.
He had a nice balcony there. Big.
All right, American toilet. You gotta love the guy. Look at this. He's got the spur me off place though afterwards. It's interesting that he'd have an American toilet.
good.
Pull Ollie's finger again. PKK house over there.